Hi, welcome to the last Cask. It's David Mason back again, and we've got something very special for you today. We've got the Fettercairn Warehouse 2 Batch 1. Yes, it's a single Highland malt Scotch whisky, and it is put together with 5 different casks. Yeah, I said 5 different casks from Warehouse 2. So let's just have a wee look at the bottle here though first, because it is an absolute splendid design, very contemporary, with this beautiful gold embossment of the Fettercairn logo. I think you'll agree, very smart. So it's got a little ditty on the back here, and I think I'd just like to read to you. It says, "Purity is a rare thing worth striving for. Sir Alexander Ramsay established the distillery in 1824, so it's nearly 200 years old. We've been going to extraordinary lengths to capture the purest expression of our whisky character, located in the foothill of Scotland's Cairngorms. We don't just use crystal clear mountain water as an ingredient, we drench our stills with it, cooling the copper so only the finest vapours rise. Each release of Fettercairn Warehouse 2 single malt will showcase a maturation journey that enhances the tropical distillery character derived from the copper cooling ring distillation process." Very nice. I think it's going to be really exciting, and I expect quite a lot of complexity in this. 49.7% ABV, non-chill filtered, natural colour apparently. Yeah, so I think we should have a wee look at this. I've got a little sample bottle, so I'm not going to actually open this one. So just quickly, a bit about the casks. We've got some port pipe casks, 40% use from that cask. We've got Vizima sherry butts, 10%. We've got unseasoned Vizima barrels at 5%. We've got Tivassa sherry barrels at 10%, and I think we've got ex-bourbon casks, which is the main ingredient, 35% of that. Anyway, I think there's going to be more bourbon. I don't think we're going to get a lot of sherry fruits, and now it's going to be really sort of typically bourbon fruity. But, well, let's have a look. Have a wee pour here. Now this is 49.7%, so I will add a little water in a minute, but let's have a look at the colour. There you go. It's, I would say it's sort of an amber gold, yellowy amber gold. Very nice. What I'd expect. Quite a nice viscosity. I'd say medium, not that oily. On the nose. Oh yeah, lots of fruits going on there. I've got pears. Some soft sherry fruits there as well. Peaches and apricots. Almost something like melon, like a honeydew melon. Soft, mellow, oaky vanillas. That's very nice. Very fruity, as one would expect. Right, palate. Wow. Yeah. Cool. It just started, you know, almost sort of milky, buttery, caramel, coffee-ish. And then it went quite sort of drying, spicy, oaky, bitter grapefruit, some cinnamon, gingerish. Just going to add a wee dash of water to this, probably a little bit more. Don't want to kill it. So 49, let's take it down to around about 43. Maybe this will release some more flavours. Not really, it's just made it softer, fresher. Yeah, more vanillas. That's the bourbon cask coming out. It's very pleasant. Creamy, buttery. Nutmeg. Light cinnamon. It's quite long finish. Very mild. Honey in the background. Slight sweetness, but it does go a little bit tart at the end, so you get that sort of immediate soft, sweet caramel, buttery, and then it goes very quickly into that sort of grapefruit tart, soft, lingering, gentle spices in the background there. That's cinnamon, nutmeg. Yeah, I thought I'd deliver a bit more. If I'm going to be honest, there's 5 references of different casks in here. Very strong on the bourbon side, no doubt. I think we said 35%. So you've got roughly sort of 10% sherry times 2. Port pipes, 40%. So a lot of, I thought you might get some more deeper fruits in them, or raisinous plums, that type of thing. But no. I think this is strong bourbon influence, my opinion, of course, and looking at the colour, I think that's a fair comment. Again, very amber, light, quintessentially bourbon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a nice wee dram. Thank you for listening, and Slanjavar.